I wanted to make a little house tour video for everyone. My front yard. Out to the street. My front door. Screen door. Ooh, it's cold outside this morning. The living room. Living room looks nice in the gray. New curtains. Kitchen. Lots of wood paneling. Oh. And the floor. Ew. Needs new tile. Garage room. Where all of our crap is stored. That is Benjamin. In the background that you hear barking at me. Garage room. It's got one of those drop ceilings. With tiles. Our baby gates to keep the dog in that side of the house. Grumpy dog. He runs right for that door. The dining room. It's just ever so slightly yellow. Dining room. Oop, bathroom. Very blue bathroom. It's got interesting white and blue speckled tiles on the floor. White shower curtain. Dark blue outside curtain. The guest room. Got all that junk in it. This is that weird dingy beige color that all the walls were. You can see the difference between just white and the beige of the walls. Where I've plastered over some holes. Get a nice side by side of the color. It's gross. Yuck. our bedroom, which is now green. Hopefully it shows up on camera. Bed, window where the dog looks out. Closet. New dresser. Pretty nice dresser. It's all wood. My side of the bed. That's the inside of the house. Show you the backyard too. The dog stays in here. Come here. Come here. Yo, got him. Haha. Gotcha. Stay. Now I can open the door without worrying about the dog running out. All kinds of junk out of our trailer. Everything out of our storage unit. Back door opens out the side of the house. There's the front street. Backyard. Side of the house. Had to fix the gate and the fence and all kinds of crap. It's a big old backyard. It's the back side of my house. Walk to the back of the yard. It's kind of rough and lots of sticks and stuff falling off the trees. Should be able to walk pretty far back out here because I got all the ivy cut back. It's still on the ground, but it's only ankle deep. It just takes over these trees, the ivy. It's the back corner of the yard. Down to the other side of the yard. Trees. Back of the house. Ooh, ivy. I still gotta clean up all the stuff on the ground that I cut. All kinds of ivy on the ground. Chunks of it. I gotta kill this ivy on these trees so it don't hurt them. I'll work on that. This is where that tree fell. Fallen tree. Fell right across the fence. Pulled the fence up. Ow. These ivy stems are a tripping hazard out here. When you cut them off at the ground level, they stick up and trip on them. They're real stiff. Ooh, let's go to the other corner of the yard. There's a pile of stuff I cut. Trees. I ain't hiking back in there. I think you get a sense of the size of the yard. It's a backyard. My trees. You got one more tree right there. Mostly hangs into the neighbor's yard. Oh, and for Dad, he's gonna get a load out of these vines. I'll show him the cross section of the vines I cut. Over here, they look like logs. That one was way in the back. There's a stump in the back that I cut this one off of. Jesus Christ, that's heavy. Alright. That's my little house tour. Bye, everybody.